Hey guys, my name's Johnny Zone. I am chef owner of Howlin Ray's in Los Angeles, California. Today we're gonna be doing some fried chicken lollipops with a Alabama white sauce. First we're gonna make the Alabama white sauce. It's a beautiful, tangy, mayonnaise-based dipping sauce, similar to ranch, but a little bit more acidic that pairs perfect with fried chicken. What makes really great fried chicken is execution, ingredients, sauce pairing, the dredge, the crunch, juiciness. So there's so many beautiful techniques on frying chicken across cultures. There's great Korean fried chicken that's triple fried. We wanted to use a little technique that I've used in the past at a French restaurant. Basically, you're Frenching the drumette. It's a little cute lollipop, probably about 3 bites in it. We'll try and preserve as much meat as possible and scrape the bone clean so it comes out nice and handlebar-esque. Great for, you at-home moms or, your daytime drinkers. Bad joke. The beer makes you bad jokes. Now that our chicken is ready, we're gonna be transferring this to a bowl and seasoning it. We're gonna allow it to sit so that it forms our initial crust. After about 15-20 minutes of the chicken sitting in that seasoning, we're going to be hitting it with another coat just to avoid any bald spots. For oil, I use different blends for different dredges of the chicken, and with this dredge, we're gonna be doing a lard-based product and a vegetable oil. We like to use blends because it gives you this velvety, beautiful mouthfeel that makes you drool a little bit because it's so good. Ingredients and execution are super, super important. And I feel like nowadays you see a lot of things that are overcomplicated. Less is more. Simplicity. For me, my style and what we do at Howlin Ray's, focus on doing one thing really, really, really well. It's all about the technique, the execution, the amount of love that you give to it, and the quality of your ingredients.